Today in this video we are going to see how we can run the JavaScript code in the VS Code. Here I have already downloaded VS Code. If you haven't downloaded it, then you can just go to the browser and write here VS Code download, and just here from here you can download it whatever your OS. Just download. If you are using Windows, then you can download from here, and if you are using Mac, then you can download from here. First download it, the uh, VS Code, and just check once that you have already installed your Node.js or not. So for that you just go and type in the command prompt node dash dash version. So here you can see that a node is not recognized as a internal or external command. So first we have to download the node.js. So here you can just write node.js download and go to the first option and just download the installer. Okay, just click here. Here you can see that the file is downloaded, and just click on it and just install it. Okay, just give it the permission, accept the terms, and just click on next. Just next. Automatically install the necessary tool. Okay, yeah, of course. Next, then install. Okay, so here I am taking a pause and then I will show you. Here as you can see that our node.js file is successfully installed. So just click on finish. You can just cancel it. Now just go to the command and just check that your node is successfully installed or not. Just write node space dash dash version. Just check. Here we can see that my version is v16. Now just write npm dash dash version. Now here you can see that. So basically our node.js file is completely installed. Now just go to your VS Code. Now here my VS Code is opening. So I am just showing you how to create file. Okay, first just go here in the extension and just download the code runner. Here you can see that I have installed the code runner installed already, and you just see that here you can just check that it is from Janhan. Okay, and one more thing that you should download, that is JavaScript ES6 code snippet. Here you can see that JavaScript. Just install it. And it is installed. Now getting a new file here. Right, I am writing here subscribe now. Like subscribe dot. Here you just write the JS in the last. After dot, write JS for the JS file. If you don't write JS, then it will not run. Okay, just click on enter. Here you can see that our JS file is created. Now what you can do, just write a code, simple code like console dot log. Here I'm writing subscribe to my channel, and just save it, Control S, and then here click on the play button. Here you can see that subscribe to my channel is pop up now here. Okay, so this is for all. You can just do like that to run the JS file in your VS code. Okay, so that's for now. If you are new to my channel, then you can subscribe here. So bye, good night, take care.